Hi everyone, welcome to Mycutetoons. Today I want to draw Griffy from Super Monsters Pets. So grab your marker or your pencil and follow along with me. Griffy is going to be a little bit complicated to draw, but we're going to try our best. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to draw the little mouth of Griffy. I'm going to draw a little skew curve. And then I'm going to just connect the line like this. So we're going to have sort of this tear shape on its side, and from there I'm going to draw a thin line and following the tear shape to the last part and then the bottom. So this is going to be a B. From here I want you to draw an eye, so we're going to draw a nice curve down, and on this side we're going to draw another curve down. It's going to be a bit smaller. Two upside down U shapes, but very flat. And then you're going to make it nice and round on top, like this. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. You're going to make it nice and round, smaller than the other one because it's from the side. And then in here, I'm going to draw a thinner line, like this. And on this side we're going to do the same, so we're going to start here at the bottom, and you can follow with me and make a thinner line. This line is going to be a little bit thinner because it's farther away, and we're going to draw an iris. There's an iris, and on this side, let's do it on the side here, another iris. Good. And then a pupil. There we go, there's a pupil. And on this side, this pupil is going to be behind the eyelid, like this. And like reflections, yeah, like always, there's one and there's the other one. Let's color the pupils in. And there's our two pupils. And now two dark lines around the eyes. So now we're going to draw two bigger lines around the eyes, which is going to form part of the eyelid. So there we go, there's one eyelid, and on this side we're going to do the same. On top of that, eyebrows. And there's the other eyebrow. Good, there we go. Between the eyes, I want you to draw a curve, an upwards curve. And then you're gonna, on this side of the eye, you're just gonna bring a short line out, and on this side, the other side, another line out, and we're gonna make sort of feathers. And you're gonna draw the lower part of the chin, and you're just gonna stop right there. And there's our little face. That's beautiful. For the head, I want you to start right here. You can make a mark for yourself there, and you're going to draw the side of the face all the way around. Connect it. Great. And then on top, I want you to draw another line, sort of a bump that goes up, curve over, and stop there about this region there. Now for the ears. You can draw a pointy ear up like that. A very thin pointy ear. The ear is not complete, and this side you're going to do a nice little curve. Then bring it all the way around to the bottom. Good. Bring another curve out and another one out. Good. And then we're just going to draw these little lines and something like this. Good. There we go. There's one ear completed. Because we have this little V, you're going to draw another V on this ear, on the point of this ear, the side of the ear, sorry, and then you're going to make it nice and round and bring it over like this. And from here you're just going to do the same thing, bring it over, and then there's some little feathers inside the ear. Good. And we're going to bring it around and maybe stop there. We're just going to leave a mark open there. Now right in this open place, I want to draw a little wing. So at the bottom of this chin, I'm going to make a nice round line like this, and then you're going to make a curve out, and take the curve up all the way and stop right there, and then you can connect these two lines. We're going to start with the bottom part, go make a thinner line out, take it all the way around and connect it like this. There we go. And this is going to be a wing, so I'm going to draw the first feathers. I'm just going to draw a little line out. We're going to draw another feather, we're going to draw another one, and maybe a last one like this. So you're going to have these marks there, and we're going to draw some little feathers here on the inside as well, maybe something like this. Just a few lines, you don't have to match mine exactly. And then I'm going to draw a feather, another feather, and maybe a last one right here. There we go, and there's a few feathers there. We're going to stop about there. Then from here I'm going to draw the bottom of the wing and maybe make another feather like that. And there we go, there's one wing. That's perfect. We can connect these lines, and there's some stripes on Griffy. There we go, and maybe there's one stripe there as well sticking out behind the feather, the wing, sorry. And on the side of Griffy's head there's 3 stripes as well. On top I want you to draw a V, but the skew V like this, see? And then you're going to follow again another V. You're going to follow that line, the previous line. You're going to take it around, take it all the way to the point of the ear, and then you're going to bring another line out. There we go. We're going to draw the body now. The chest, some hair here on the chest. You're just going to do this, and we're going to go and we're going to draw a leg. There we go. There's a leg, and on top of this leg I want you to draw some stripes. So it looks like a half moon on its side, and here we can draw sort of a semi-circulish type thing, and maybe there's another stripe. And now for the leg, or for the foot. Now Griffy has claws because it's a griffin, and then on this side another claw, a toe. There's 2 toes. Bring it back, a nail, and you can just, and there we go, there's one little foot. Now the other one is in the air, so I want you to draw 3 round curves and then take it back to the body like that, and then the top of the foot. There we go. We're going to draw a little nail there. We're going to draw the other toe, and then maybe there's one hidden behind, and there's the other foot. Some hair. We're going to draw some hair here on the chest. Now for the belly, I'm going to draw a nice round curve, and I'm going to draw the leg now. So I'm going to draw a little hook shape, bring it down. So you're going to draw a little hook like this. Good. And then we're going to draw the toe. There we go. And the back of the foot coming up, and then from the wing I'm going to make it nice and round, and you're going to draw the body. There we go. Another little foot. I'm going to bring another toe. There's 1 toe, 2, 3 toes, and take the foot back. So there's the 2 back feet as well, lion's feet and a hawk's talons. We're going to draw a little line here for the belly, and we're going to draw some lines here as well for stripes. Here's the stripes. There's another stripe, maybe behind the wing, another stripe coming out there, and 2 stripes there. Now all that's missing is a tail, so let's draw the tail. Nice and curved, and the bottom side of it, and I'm going to make it bigger, the line wider as I go back to the body, and we're going to draw a few little stripes. There we go. And then of course a nice bushy tail. And we're going to draw some hair and some hair there. Great, and there's Griffy. Now that wasn't too hard, was it? So now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors and you can color Griffy in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.